So today I'm Hero and I'm going to test Nita's new star power. So I just got Nita's star powers Hyper Bear and Bear with me. So now we are gonna test it in some duo showdowns. So let's go. So okay guys, right off the bat we have a bull team with us in our team. Guys, Nita is really good because her shots penetrate and she reloads really fast. Her star power Bear with me is really good, and if a star power is with her gadget, she totally obliterates anyone who comes near her. So the star power which I took is Hyper Bear. So what Hyper Bear does is it makes my Nita's bears, whose name is Bruce. It makes its attacks 50% faster. Okay guys, that was a total waste of my super. I'm gonna jump. Oh no, I missed my jump pad, guys. Let's see how we do. Oh no, the Poco. We need to kill them, guys. Oh no. Hopefully this bull should survive, or else we are dead meat. Oh no, guys. Third place. 0 trophies. Come on, guys. We can do it. We'll play solo this time. Guys, I'll keep on playing until I get at least 10 trophies. So guys, here we have a bee. She's known for killing people. Her attack is really powerful, guys. In the next video, I will show how to play bees and her best tips. Guys, one pro tip: when you're attacking, just attack and move a little bit back, so that even if they attack, they're out of your range. So you can attack and move back. This is especially used for pushing other brawlers into a certain field of a map. Oh guys, no. Spin to win, guys, spin to win. Oh no. This bee is killing us, guys. We need to act fast. Emotes. Just spin in front of her. Show that who's the boss. Yes, the Rosa's here. Okay, I'm pushing her back. Oh no. She's literally bugging me right now, guys. Okay, there's a Gale skin over there. Guys, please comment down if you like the Gale skin, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh no, guys. Okay, I'm gonna Hyper Bear. Okay, my bear is saving, guys. My bear is tanking my hits. Oh no. But guys, we got third position. I think we'll get some trophies. Yeah, we are getting 6 trophies. Guys, did you see how overpowered the Hyper Bear is? I'm sorry if you wanted to see it for the gadget, but I just did not unlock it. Because here we don't pay to win, we are free to play players. So now I'm gonna use the star power of Bear with me. So what this star power does is, when I hit any brawler, I give Bruce 500 health, and if Bruce hits any brawler, I get 500 health, guys. This star power I would rate as a B tier, and Hyper Bear I would rate as an A tier, guys. Let's show them who's the boss. Guys, back in the day, Nita used to be my favorite brawler. Now it's Ems. I just like Ems because she gives a lot of burst damage, and if you just get into her clouds of perfume, you're dead. Guys, but one thing bad with Nita is she has only a little bit less damage than she actually I feel should have. Okay, there's another Nita, guys. Okay, we are teaming up with this Leon. We smiley mode. So guys, I think that Leon will take care. Is he still there? The Leon. No, I don't think so. I think we can go there. I think that's it. And guys, whenever you go into bushes, please check them, or else you might just find a Shelly. See, that bull just came out of nowhere. Okay, now he's jumping. Guys, don't always burst. That was a bad part on me. I know that bull is somewhere. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, did you see how that bull just obliterated me? And guys, Panda Nita skin is my first ever skin. Guys, I think I will select Hyper Bear only. And I want to play some duos. Let's see what noobs we get. Or pros. Okay guys, we have a bee on our side. Let's see if she plays. Oh no, she's those kinds of people. She just waits until I totally finish it out. Guys, here we have a kill stealer. But guys, just rate. What would you choose? Piper or... Oh no, Dynamite. Who is the better sniper, guys? Guys, would you choose B, Piper or Brock? Guys, I just lost 5 trophies. Now we are gonna go try hard, guys. Let's go solo. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with every one of your friends and family. I know I'm still a noob, but I will practice a lot of Brawl Stars to get you really good content and pro plays. I will even keep on giving you tips on how to improve your game, which I myself learned from other Brawl Stars coaches, which I found on YouTube. Guys, you saw, this is what I literally said. I'm a noob. See, I just lost 10 trophies right off the bat. So guys, as I said, I will bring another 10 trophies and then we'll finish this video. Okay, I think I'm gonna do farming. Oh no, it's a max, guys. It's a max. It's a bloody max. Yes, guys, we killed a max. Guys, I don't feel like Max got a really good skin, the Street Max. I think as it is her genre's update, I think she should have gotten a really better skin, which people should buy. And guys, I'm not joking, Surge is really cool. I think they did not do some fair to Max, and they bought Surge and he gave him such a cool skin, but Max gets some dump. I don't like it, guys. Sorry if Streetwear Max is one of your favorite skins. It's just my observation. I don't like Streetwear Max. I still feel that normal Max's skin is better. Okay guys, I'm taking a risk over here. Oh no, I think there is someone here. Oh, there's a takeover here. Just as I thought. Guys, no one likes a bloody trick on your trail. Oh no. Guys, is someone here? Oh no, guys. I thought so. There was a bull just camping over there. Guys, I just got true trophies. But guys, I think that's enough for Nita. I'm gonna play with a little bull and troll some people by doing bush camping. I have a bull star gadget which gives him 1500 health instantaneously. Guys, comment down below if bull is one of your favorite brawlers. There is a Pam over there. I know that. I knew it. I just saw her even though. What do you want? See, that's how you back down people, guys. Although here I am the one backing down. Okay, I'm going for the box. Guys, this Piper is a noob. Just missing her shots left and right. Noob. Let's troll her, guys. I'm happy. Okay, now we start bush camping, guys. Okay. I think we are going to face. Okay. These bushes are safe. Oh, there's a spike. Holy mama. Oh, guys. That's what bush camping means. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, I'm happy. At least I went there. Oh, guys. Guys, that's how you win, guys. 10 trophies. Bush campers are not cool, guys, unless you are the one bush camping. So thank you, guys. That's it for today. Bye, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye, guys.